Hello everyone, today I show you how to create project in NetBeans and how to pass argument in a main class, how to run multiple main class in a single project. These three topics are included in this video. So at first you have to install your NetBeans ID on your computer, then click on desktop and there is a NetBeans icon, but I can delete all the icons from the desktop, but you have icon. I pick this icon into the my taskbar. Here is my NetBeans icon. Double click on this. After the double click, NetBeans can open and appear this kind of window. Please go to file or this icon. Go to file. There is a new project. There is a categories. There is a different categories for Java application, HTML application, PHP application, NetBeans modules. These are the categories. Under these categories, different projects are available by NetBeans ID. Numerous. You can see that there is a numerous project on these categories. I think like is 45, 30 projects under these categories. If you want to add more projects, you can download your NetBeans plugins. You can see that there is a new projects available in this categories. I have to create Java applications, so I go to the Java categories and I select the Java applications and click on next. Here you can see that project name. At first plan your project name, because project name is very crucial part for any projects. So I prepare my core Java videos, so I type project name is a core Java folder. Where you want to shape, I want to shape in a browse and E drive. If you want to create new folder, please click on this, and my folder name is tutorials. Then click on tutorials and click on open. There is a main thing. Package name of any class is very important to recognize directory as well as your group ID, your project ID. So our project ID, I assume that my project ID is core Java, but my group ID what? My group ID is com dot developer bhuvan dot. This say group ID for me, that is unique for every developer. Developer or organization. Core Java, that is my project artifact ID, and that is my class name. Then I click finish. After click finish button, you can see that core Java class with the main methods. It is automatically generated. So at first I want to print something. System.out.println. I print hello core java.class. In this class I print that hello core java.class. To run particular file, press shift then press F6. You can see that output panel with hello core java dot class. Hello core java dot class. For example, I create another class. For example, another core java. There is only class, so I create main method like it's public static void main. I create also methods public void same, say something. For example, system.out.println system.hello another core java dot class. This class say hello another core java dot class. This class say hello core java dot class. This system out dot println statement place on the main method this can directly run, but in this class here you can see that this can be placed on the say something method. It cannot be run automatically when main method is called, so it can be triggered by the main method. So to trigger, it is non-static method, so we have to need object of this class. So I simply create object and dot say something. This is a pattern to call methods, non-static methods. Now we have to run this particular file, not this file, only another core java file. Please press shift then press F6. You can see that hello another core java. For example, I comment that what happened, there is no output because these methods cannot be called by the main method. So we have to call this main method from this main method. Now you can see that output. For example, here you can see that in this project two main method I have to run another core java as a first main method, not this method. Overall project can be run to run overall project. Go to select your desired project and right click on that and click run context menu. Here you can see that hello core java dot class. You can see that core java class can be called, but another core java class cannot be called. At first we have to set which main method can be called during the project run. So to set main methods, which main methods is a first, we have to go in a project properties. So to go project properties, right click on a project and then click on a properties context menu, then go to run. Here you can see that by default main method selected by the NetBeans. It is a first main method which is created during the project creation. So we have to select which main class can be called during the project run. Please click on browse. Here you can see that two main methods. One is another core java, one is core java. I have to select another core java as a first run. Then this is an argument to send the main methods, that is carry out the string array arguments. I will show later. then okay. Now run the project. What happened? That is hello another core java dot class can run, because we set another core java as a first run main methods in our project. Now I will show how to pass argument by using a NetBeans in a main methods. For example, I can use one argument methods 0. I will pass this argument in this main method string argument. Now I print that like that arg. I pass main methods argument by accessing array 0 index, pass to the say something say something methods, and this argument can be printed through system out. Now we have to pass some argument this main method. I can go to project properties, then go to run. Here you can see that argument. For example, I want to pass Nepal on which class? Another core java class. What is string? Nepal. Then click OK. Now run the project. What happened? Hello another core java dot class, argument is Nepal. For example, if you want to change this argument by the America, now you have to run your project. You can see that America. Thank you very much to watch my video. To learn more, please subscribe my channel.